more with all those candid pictures taken on your iPhone than simply viewing or browsing them on your device? Well, there are many iPhone's apps out there that allow you to do basic and advanced photo editing that will certainly spruce up and add personality to your pictures. Whether it's a laugh out loud and oh so cute moment, a breathtaking landscape, or a momentous occasion, you want your photos to be the best they can be. While the iPhone may not boast the features of an advanced camera, it does offer hundreds of choices for photo and image enhancements apps. Here are my top picks for some apps I use on my iPhone to take my candid moments to the next level. For the hipsta in you, there's Hipstamatic, an application for $1.99 that is said to bring back the look, feel, unpredictable beauty, and fun of plastic toy cameras from the past. With a swipe of a finger, you can change your lens, flash, or film to add a unique touch to your prints. And you can even mix and match to find your favorite combination. With built-in Facebook and Flickr sharing, you can instantly post your latest hipster prints for all your friends to see and enjoy. Plus, you can also send prints via email right from the application. Using Hipstamatic, I snapped this quick photo of my favorite office desk accessory. The app automatically applies a shadowy light overlay on the photo, making an ordinary desk setting look rather demure. A personal favorite of mine, Instagram transforms the look and feel of any normal photo that you can instantly share with friends and followers on Facebook, Twitter, or Flickr. Choose from a range of trendy filters, whether it's Early Bird, Pop Rocket, or my favorite 1977, for a true vintage look that takes your photos back in time in an instant. Don't be fooled, this photo of my 3-year-old dachshund was taken just this past fall, even though the photo setting, Nashville to be exact, has a vintagey-like feel to it. Color Splash is a fun and intuitive selective colorization app for the iPhone that allows you to turn a basic black and white photo into a striking image. Choosing from 4 different brush strokes, hard or soft edge, opaque or transparent, simply use your finger as a brush to remove or bring back the original color from parts of your image. After you're all done, save your edited image and send it off to Facebook, Flickr, or Twitter to share your artistic skills with all your friends. I had fun with this photo, taken recently of a birthday present for a friend's baby, a simple but bright pink pair of Converse sneakers. By applying the soft-edged brush strokes, these baby kicks stand out on a rather bland backdrop. The zoom function is really helpful as it allows you to pay attention to the curves and crevices of the image. With 187 high-quality photo effects, the options are endless with the FX Photo Studio app, a feature-packed photo editing application perfect for your creative side. By pressing just one button, you can turn your ordinary shot into a photo from the 60s or 70s, a picture drawn by pencil, oil, or paint, and even apply other bizarre effects like vintage, sepia, textures, and even grunge. This app also allows for cropping, rotating, and brightness adjustments that take your new and saved photos to another level. And when you're done being the creative editor you become, just simply upload your final product to Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, Flickr, or your email. Yankee Stadium is nowhere near boring, but by applying the color charcoal sketch setting to this photo of a recent game at the new stadium, it's definitely a home run. While most of us haven't been gifted with the skills and tools necessary to create the perfect photo, luckily our iPhones can help all of us turn into the professional photographer we wish we could be. Check back soon for more top gadgets and apps, and for all the latest news in the communications world, visit tmcnet.com. I'm Tammy Wolf, and I'm wishing you happy snapping.